Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get bonus bets on Fanduel. So what you want to do guys is you want to go ahead and open up your account page. And here guys you want to be seeing whether or not you have active bonus bets, okay? And if you do have active bonus bets, what you can do is you can go ahead and make bet selections that are based on what your bonus bet will cover. For example, you can bet on an all-purpose or a specific sport game or bet type, for example, same game parlay. So basically, FanDuel will grant you bonus bets as part of marketing efforts that usually will appear on your account, or you can earn bonus bets by opting into a promotion. You know, these things can be like no sweat first bet or bet $5, get $150. So you want to always be checking what is going to be available in your state because this could change at any time. So once you complete the activity or requirement that is specified in the promotion, the bonus bet reward will actually appear in your account within 72 hours. So once you have that bonus bet, what you can do, once you make your bet slip, you want to look for the add a bonus bet, and you want to click the toggle on option. And if you have more than one, you can also get a pop-up with options to choose from. Okay? It's recommended, guys, to actually choose the bonus bet, which will expire the soonest. So this will actually be found at the top of the list. So after the full bonus bet stake auto populates, you can also adjust the wager to add more cash from your wallet or reduce the amount to only be using a portion of the full bonus bet, and you can place your bet that way. And after you bet settles, guys, and if you win, you'll get to poke at all of your winnings, but the initial bonus bet portion of your wager will not be returned in your wallet. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. You want to be looking out for these promotions. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next video.